This is how to add a sticky Add to Cart bar in WooCommerce to keep your buy button visible and boost conversions. You'll need to grab a plugin called Simple Sticky Add to Cart for WooCommerce from your plugins area. Just search for it, install it, and activate it. What this does is create a floating buy button that follows customers as they scroll through your product pages. After you activate it, there's a new menu item called Sticky Add to Cart in your sidebar. The first thing you want to hit is visibility settings. Turn on activation, then make sure you enable it for desktop, tablet, and mobile. You want this working everywhere. Now here's where you decide where this thing actually shows up. Go to configuration and set the sticky bar position to bottom. Trust me on this one. Bottom placement keeps it out of your navigation's way, but still catches attention. There's also a setting for when it appears as people scroll. The default usually works fine, unless your product descriptions are really short. The design settings let you make it match your site colors. Pick a background color that fits your brand and choose text that people can actually read against it. Some of the fancier color options are locked behind the Pro version, but honestly, the basic ones do the job. Hit Save Changes and you're done with setup. The plugin automatically adds this to every product page without you having to do anything else. Time to test it out. Go to any product page and scroll down past where your regular Add to Cart button disappears. The sticky bar should pop up and let you add stuff to your cart. Check it on your phone too, because that's where a lot of your customers probably shop.